Welcome to the Mind Flowic. Let's start today's session. Begin by finding a comfortable position, allowing your body to relax and your mind to settle into a state of peaceful awareness. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh energy, and as you exhale, release any tension or distractions that may be present. Now, gently close your eyes and bring your attention to your heart center. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat, the life force that flows through you, connecting you to your own essence of love and compassion. Imagine yourself in a serene, natural setting, a place where you feel completely at ease. It could be a peaceful garden, a cozy corner of your home, or a favorite spot you and your pet share together. Visualize the surroundings, paying attention to the colors, scents, and textures that create a harmonious atmosphere. As you settle into this tranquil space, invite your beloved pet to join you. Picture them approaching with joy and excitement, radiating unconditional love. Take a moment to visualize their unique characteristics, their adorable quirks, and the deep bond that exists between you. Extend your hand and gently stroke your pet, feeling the softness of their fur or feathers, or the warmth of their presence if they are a reptile or fish. As you make physical contact, visualize a vibrant energy flowing between your palms and your pet's body, creating a bridge of connection and understanding. Now, imagine a soft, golden light emanating from your heart center, enveloping both you and your pet in a warm and comforting embrace. This light represents the pure essence of love, trust, and harmony. See it expanding, growing brighter with each breath, surrounding you both in a cocoon of unconditional love. Allow your mind to open to a deeper level of communication. Imagine your thoughts and feelings merging with those of your pet, transcending the limitations of language. Visualize a profound understanding and empathy forming between you, as if you can truly see and feel the world through their eyes. Take a moment to express your gratitude for the unique qualities your pet brings into your life. Reflect on the lessons they teach you, the comfort they provide, and the joy they bring. Allow your heart to swell with appreciation for their presence and the unconditional love they offer. Now, in this state of heightened connection, communicate your intentions and desires to your pet through your thoughts and emotions. Share your love, your hopes, and your dreams with them, knowing that they understand and support you unconditionally. As you continue to deepen your bond, take a few moments to listen, opening your heart to any messages or guidance your pet may have for you. Trust your intuition and be receptive to the wisdom they offer. They have a unique perspective and can provide comfort, insights, and even inspiration on your life's journey. Feel the profound connection and love between you and your pet growing stronger with each passing moment. Sense the unbreakable bond that transcends time and space, knowing that your hearts are forever intertwined. Now, as you begin to transition out of this meditation, express your gratitude to your beloved pet for joining you on this journey. Feel their love and appreciation in return. Slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings, wiggling your fingers and toes, and taking a few deep breaths, grounding yourself in the present moment. As you reawaken to the physical world, carry the essence of this profound connection with your pet with you. Recognize that the bond you share extends beyond this meditation and into your everyday life. Embrace the love, understanding, and unity that have blossomed within you. Take a moment to express your gratitude for this sacred experience. Thank your pet for their unwavering companionship, loyalty, and the lessons they teach you. Appreciate the joy they bring to your life and the unconditional love they shower upon you. Know that you can return to this guided meditation whenever you desire to deepen your bond with your pet. Allow the memories and sensations of this meditation to stay with you as you go about your day, reminding you of the profound connection you share. As you gradually bring this meditation to a close, open your eyes and take a moment to fully integrate the experience. Stretch your body, allowing a renewed energy to flow through you. Carry the love and unity you have cultivated into every interaction with your pet, nurturing and strengthening your bond day by day. May this guided meditation serve as a powerful tool in deepening the bond between you and your beloved pet. Embrace the unique connection you share, knowing that it is a source of love, support, and joy in your life. Thank you for embarking on this journey of connection and love with your pet. May your bond continue to flourish and bring you immeasurable happiness and fulfillment. Wishing you and your cherished companion many moments of joy, understanding, and unconditional love.